Hi everybody, I am Dr. Shams Babar. I have come to you to address with my full experience of allopathy, homeopathy and ozone for the last 50 years. And today I am going to speak about pandemic of COVID and immune system of our body. Immune system in the world is now declining, as you know. All of our lifestyle is changed. No exercise, no good food habits, and lots of antibiotics, abuse of antibiotics, and the immune system is very, very low for everybody. Why COVID is attacking us is because of low immune system. And this low immune system is rampant more in America, Canada and Europe because they are very, very careful about everything. Whereas in India, the immune system is very, very, a lot of antibodies have developed in our country, in India, because people are very, very rough, tough, and they live a very careless life in which you find antibodies developing in their system. And that's why nowadays we are very happy that Indian continent and Asian continent, COVID is declining, whereas it is increasing in America and Canada and European countries, unfortunately. But I blame my immune system for this. Then how to increase your immune system to fight against this COVID problem is alternative medicine. Allopathy does not have any immune system boosters except vaccine. Vaccine is a good thing. We are now developing a good vaccine everywhere. But to have your own immune system body full of immune system body resistance is that use alternative medicine, which is very, very common in Indian continent and other countries here, because where we have got homeopathy, we have got yoga, you have got Ayurveda, and we've got Unani system, and lots of other alternative approaches our countrymen use so that their immune system is a little stronger than the other countries. I educate mostly homeopathy because I'm expert in homeopathy. Been the last 30, 40 years I've been using it, and then I have tried a lot of COVID cases I've treated in India. I've treated thousands and thousands of them successfully. Also gave preventive medicine for homeopathy in COVID cases, which has been very, very successful, because the main thing is to improve the immune system of the body. If you take homeopathy as a protective or a preventive medicine, it's not a medicine, it's all natural herbs and natural remedies, which I'm going to tell you. I have sent it to America also. It's present in Chicago with one of my representatives. Her name is Hafsa. We'll give you the phone number also later on. And I request all of you to take protective prevention medicine, prevention homeopathic kits, safeguard and for the future, because it's rampant nowadays, I heard, in America and elsewhere, in UK also. Countrymen, my people should use homeopathy for this. And also we will supplement vaccine antidote also, not antidote, actually to prevent the side effects of vaccine. One day before vaccine, a dose of homeopathy, and day after the vaccine, another dose of homeopathy will prevent the side effects of vaccine. Vaccine side effects has been seen in many parts of the world, even in India also. Yesterday we had 580 cases side effects seen in the people. Side effects are minimum, but they are troublesome. You see, some are high risk, and some are very, very low risk, with malaise and fever and cough and cold. But that also can be avoided by use of homeopathic medicine, one day before vaccine and day after vaccine, only 2 doses. I'll ask UK, US also to supplement this to all the people who are taking vaccines to safeguard themselves against the side effects of vaccinations. So this is I'm requesting all of my people and elsewhere in India and elsewhere to take the preventive case. Nowadays, I have seen in Hyderabad also some cases are coming up, but not like US and UK. But still, there are some cases coming up. I request to take preventive medicines for all of them, and also take vaccines. If you are taking vaccine, this is a very good thing to take vaccine. But you take homeopathic 1 dose before and 1 dose after the vaccine, so that you will be safe from the side effects of vaccine. Beside the COVID cases, I treat all the cases of the body, including brain, psychiatric problems, chest problems, liver problems, abdominal problems, joint problems, genitourinary problems. I can treat anything with my vast experience in homeopathy, allopathy, and ozone treatment, which I have learned from Germany. Homeopathy I have learned from UK, London, and allopath, qualified allopath in 1972 from Osmania Medical College. I request all of you to use preventive, and for vaccination side effects also you take homeopathy as preventive medicine, and it is available in Chicago and elsewhere in America also. So we will give you the phone number of the person having my medicines in Chicago. Her name is Hafsa, and the phone number will appear on this thing. Sincere request, I request you to use these medicines. Thank you so much.